Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Lemfo Lamp 12. We will see what we have in the package and the software as well, so stay tuned for that. Let's begin immediately with unboxing. You can see immediately it reveals the Lamp 12 itself. We have a quad-core CPU that is more fast and stable than the previous version, 3 GB of RAM and 32 of RAM. Android 7.1.1, you can see the cable for charging. We have a screwdriver and 2 screws in case you lose any of them. And we have the user manual with the operation guideline in the bottom of the cap. In the Lamp 12 we have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS and GSM, 2 cameras, 5 megapixel in the front and 8 megapixel in the side. The Lamp 12 supports 4G and it has really fast face unlock. The screen is 1.6 inch rounded, which makes the Lamp 12 look stunning. Let's start it now and see what we got in the software. As you can see, now it started. We can see this beautiful watch face that we can change it, but this is from default. You can see the time, the steps, Lemfo logo. In the right side we have 2 buttons and the cameras, as I said before. In the top we have the taskbar starting with time, date. We have percentage of battery, Bluetooth and SIM card logo. We have some shortcuts here: do not disturb, brightness. We have airplane mode, mobile network, GPS, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Next we have the cleaner and we have the music control, as well as the weather. So this is from the top part. In the left we have notification, down we have the average sports for steps, kilometers and burn calories. So you can check your whole week information. In the right we have the menu starting from contacts, phone, messages, settings, browser, downloads, calendar, clock, camera, gallery, music, sound record, file manager, heart rate monitoring, fitness, weather, voice search, Play Store, apps, assistant, app store, system optimization and face unlock at the bottom. So we have quite a few options here in the Lamp 12, so let's go ahead, try some of them. So now here, as we can see, we have the face unlock, which works pretty good and pretty fast. Also we can unlock our smartwatch with pattern, which is a very good option to have here. Let's see what we can try after we saw all the options. Let's start with heart rate here, which is the first option which we can try. And let's see how fast it measures our heart rate. As you can see, we have the first result and it's saved with time and date, which is a very good thing, so we can monitor our heart rate in the app, which we will see in the how to connect video. We have here outdoor run, which is the first option. We have outdoor walk, indoor run, ride bike, play basketball, play football. We have ping pong, badminton, rope skipping, which is the last option for sport. We have quite a few sports as well. Let's try the outdoor run first. We have the seconds going here, kilometer, blood pressure, burn calories, kilometer per hour and the pace at the bottom. These are enough maybe options for all of us. Maybe not all of us, but the most of us, because we are not professional sports. So for myself, these are quite good information. So I don't think we have anything else to test here. We saw the heart rate and all the options with Face ID, for example. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smartwatch.